Hi all, I'm Purvi Nayak and I'm going to speak about how to get the notification details through REST API. Let's look at the agenda of the presentation. What are notifications in EDC? How to get the notification details through REST API, demo, and finally some of the references. What are notifications in EDC? Starting from EDC version 10.2.2, a new feature called notifications was introduced. This feature allows user to configure notification settings. Enterprise Data Catalog sends alerts whenever a change occurs on the asset that the user follows and provides service level alerts to ensure timely action. These notification details will be visible in the LDM Catalog UI under the notification fields. How to get the notification details through REST API? We can configure these details through Swagger UI. First, log into Swagger UI, go to Default Spec, Catalog API drop-down, then choose the Events for the Application API. Then we need to provide all the necessary details in the tab. From EDC 10.5.2 onwards, change type is one of the mandatory fields in order to get the desired outcome from the REST API. The possible values for change type are as follows: inference annotations for enrichment changes, collaboration for changes such as comments and QA, resource to get a count of the number of changes for tables, views and other assets at the resource level. Here we can find a sample curl command that can be triggered from the server and the sample REST API call that can be called from the browser to get the notification details through REST API. Let's look at the demo now. Here I have logged into LDM Catalog UI and this is one of the assets that I am following. So here I am adding a review to this asset and I am submitting it. Once the review is submitted, we can find this detail under the notification field. Now let's see how we can fetch these details from the Swagger UI. Let's log into the Swagger UI, select the default spec and go to Catalog Events drop-down. In this, to Events for the Application REST API, click on Try It Out and fill in all the necessary details. So, as I have added review on the asset, I am using collaboration as the change type. And let's define the resource name. And as we are expecting the response in the JSON format, we should be choosing application or JSON for the response content type. Otherwise, we will hit an error. Now click on Execute. Once the execution is completed, we can find these details in the response body. Now we have few of the reference documents to know more on EDC REST APIs, overview of catalog events REST API and few related documents. We would love to hear from you. You can write to us at supportvideos@informatica.com and also on our Twitter page. Please feel free to add comments if you have any queries. Thank you.